Did you know that indecent exposure carries not only 3 years in state prison, but having to register as a sex offender for life? Do you think that's a little extreme, especially since you didn't even touch anybody? Please comment below. Let us know what you think. Regardless, so we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. I am a documentary filmmaker, and with my drone, I do filming in different places. On one occasion, I filmed my neighbor having sex in the backyard of her house. Then she realized it, and the next day she attacked me. I defended myself. I pushed her, and she fell, and she broke her arm. Now I got problems with the law. First, I'm going to say hi to Sarah Hamilton, who's watching us right now on our Facebook page. So here's the deal. First of all, you were filming somebody. They were in their backyard. But keep in mind that in somebody's backyard, that person does not have an expectation of privacy. So if she's having sex in her backyard, that's her issue. I know it's her property, but she can't keep anybody from just filming. Anybody from the outside, you know, people have drones. You can film, and you really don't have an expectation of privacy outside, so you can't do it. Matter of fact, if you don't have the curtains closed in your house, you also don't have expectation of privacy in your own house. Close your curtains. Now, I'm moving on to the next part. So she attacked you, and you pushed her, and she fell and broke her arm. Well, if she's attacking you, and you pushed her just to keep her off of you, hey, that's self-defense. It was an accident. She fell, broke her arm. Legally, you shouldn't have a problem. And this is obviously under the assumption that there's proof that it happened that way. Obviously, she could lie, in which case then she's going to say that you battered her, and then, of course, you're going to have to fight that in a jury trial. But let's pretend there are no lies. Let's say the whole thing was recorded by your drone so that there's no dispute regarding the evidence. Well, okay, well, let's say you pushed her just to keep her off of you because she was attacking you. Then that's sort of okay, and it was an accident. Now, let's say she was attacking you, and she only weighs like 100 pounds. And you weigh like maybe 250 pounds of solid muscle. And she's attacking you, and then you shove her. Well, you didn't really need to do that to protect yourself. That's considered an imperfect self-defense. You went a little overboard, and if she got hurt, you're going to be charged with a battery, and probably a felony battery under Penal Code Section 243D that carries up to 3 years of state prison. So it really depends on the circumstance, because you're only supposed to use the minimal force necessary to avoid that you suffer additional harm. Like if you had to do what you did to keep yourself from suffering harm, that's fine. But if you didn't really have to do it, if you were overzealous, if you went too far, it ain't going to go so well for you. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. Feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.